Are you looking forward to connecting your HP DeskJet 2723 printer to Wi-Fi but facing some issues? Or you're a new printer user and don't know the process at all? Don't worry, this video will help you out. In this video, I'll show you the simple and effective methods to connect your printer to a wireless network easily. And yes, if you need more help, then feel free to dial in the numbers on the screen and our expert team will provide real-time assistance. Now, let's jump right into the connection process.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Connect via wireless setup. For the first step, make sure your printer is switched on. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, let go and you'll see the power button light start flashing. Now, you should wait for the Wi-Fi light to turn on. Download then open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. Open the app and tap the add icon. Select DeskJet 2700 series. Once the app finds your Wi-Fi, type in your password and tap Continue. Press the information button on your printer. Once your printer connects to Wi-Fi, tap Continue. Go through the remaining setup option on the next few screens. Finally, on the Install Cartridge and Papers page, click Done and you're all set. If the first method does not work for you, then don't worry. Next, we're going to use the Wi-Fi direct connection methods. If any of these methods help you with the connection, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Method 2. Connect via Wi-Fi direct. First, go ahead and press the Wi-Fi button on your printer. Press the information button. Your printer will print out an information page. On that printout, find the Wi-Fi direct name and password. On your phone, open the Wi-Fi settings. Now, search for and select the Wi-Fi direct name. Enter the Wi-Fi direct password and tap Connect. The connection will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.